Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Evernote notifications. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Evernote and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on notifications option. Now, in order to turn off Evernote notification, disable show notifications option. And this is how you can turn off Evernote notifications. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.